Let's go, Branson. I just got to the Apple Tree Mall. I am exhausted. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I'm not sure if my phone's gonna let me record. I'm out of juice in real life and metaphorically with my iPhone here. But this is my last stop before I call it a night. I'm so ready, but I do want to walk around before. Plus, I'm kind of curious what's in there. It looks awesome. Well, right off the bat, that pin cushion. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, I think it says $18. That's really unique. Might have to grab that. Wow, this is awesome. Look at this. There's stuff everywhere. Oh my gosh. Yes. Well, I did pick up the pincushion girl. I totally failed to realize she was 40% off. So for 12 bucks. Now, this place is huge, but it looks like there's a lot of new stuff. Oh my gosh, look at this cow. Oh my gosh. $5. Definitely sold. All this newer unicorn stuff is so cute though. Oh my gosh. 40% off never looked so good. $10.50. Are you serious? Sold. The little Italian print. 40%. Take that. I also have to check out this cigar box. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I love that. I really want to get that. At $12, there's really not much room. But like, what? What is this one? I've never really gotten into cigar boxes. Wow. Oh, I kind of can't resist this one though. Ah, it's so tough. This is gonna be a whole thing. These are at $6 each. Those are so cute. I don't buy those really because I feel like they're kind of common and I don't know about the different designs as much as I should. Oh my gosh, this whole area is 40% off. I bet that glows. 52, okay. What about the chalkware dog? 25. It's not chalkware actually. Clown decanter. Wow, cool. Another thing that's kind of common, but still Fenton, $37.50. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed. This definitely gave me the second wind I was hoping to get. And the little figurines, these are all 40% off. I love these elves. Oh my gosh, stop it. 30 bucks. Oh, so they're still like 18. Got a little wear too. I love this one, but the chip, I can't ignore that. Yeah, so it's actually like a lot of new stuff. I've already gone through like 2 aisles, but there's random stuff mixed in. A lot of signs. I don't see any discounts still. $7. That's kind of fabulous. So I did go ahead and, I'm stuck. Go ahead and grab that. Dang, it's a single shaker. This is cool. I've never seen this set in that color. 18, whoa. Well, finally reached another booth that has traces of vintage. This guy's fantastic, but at 25, can't really do anything with that. That's about retail. Is this DeForest? No, it's Napco. They look very similar sometimes. What's happening here? It's chaotic. Also, a lot of this happening. So I'm trying to pay pretty close attention because you know how it is with these toy booths. Every once in a while, there's some random vintage gem mixed in there. And when I say random, I'm not kidding. Super random. I love it so much. An entire Elvis memorabilia section. Fabulous. I love the clocks. The ones that swing like the Kit Kat. Ooh, I like the look of this elephant. $5. Sold. Wow, that's awesome. I kind of love the crazing on that. Lots of crazy, creepy dolls in here, for sure. Well, this is kind of cool. 15 though. Let's see a discount sign in here. Pepper, salt and pepper, penguins. I've had that one a bunch. I don't really see anything else in here. Well, I had to put my basket down for this 40% off booth. Oh, look at how cute she is. $8 and 40% off. Oh, yikes. Slide glass owl, 27. Is that the powder jar? Oh, I see she has a chip on her. I love the roosters, but again, a little high, even with the discount for my purposes. Dang, strikeout. Then the random ballerina. That's not what I thought it was. Just kidding. Oh, good grief. There's a lot going on over here. Precious moments are really big here. I passed like the Precious Moments factory tour or something on the way here. I've never really been a fan. But what do we have here? Oh my gosh. $12. Dang, no discount. That's a little close, especially with that. No, it's not. Yeah, it is a spot of paint loss. Yeah, can't do that. What is this mushroom thing? It's new. It's like a turtle booth. Cool. I like this guy. 38, just kidding. Although I have to say, this fused glass turtle is pretty neat, and it's dated 1976. It's pretty neat. $7, no discount. That's a little bit more than I'd like to pay. Yeah, there's some neat ones. What is this? No, that's not what I thought it was. Oh my gosh, I love the troll plates. She's kind of cute. $2. Well, we'll take her for $2. Made in Japan for sure. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna hold my breath. $8.50. Sold. $8.50. Sold again. Oh, that one's got like a little bit of wear. Hold on, let me look at this one again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Calm down. Deep breaths. We're gonna get through all these shelves. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. And you know what? I'm gonna take this one too. No, it's got some wear. What is this guy? This is really distracting. Nesco. Interesting. The deer is coming with me at $16.50. Just kidding, he's super, super repaired. That's probably why he's still there. This one's super repaired. What about this? $9.50, that's a little much. This fabulous pink cow figurine, $5. Is he repaired? No. Take that. Oh my gosh. Horrific. Absolutely horrific. Okay. $8.50. Oh yeah, I looked at that. That was repaired. What about this Chihuahua cat thing? $9.50. She's really cute. $12.50. Not bad. Not bad at all, actually. Could probably still make money off that, but it's more than I'd like to spend. Let's see if oh god, that thing is horrifying. Yeah, that's a shame about the deer. It's repaired in every place possible. Whoa, look at this chalkware cow. $12.50. Ferdinand the bull, of course. He's kind of fantastic. He's got a huge chunk missing out of him though there. It's not bad, but what is this? It's like weird provocative deer. It's kind of weird. Oh, I kind of love this. Cat teapot. I'm not sure about that one. I could be leaving a gem there, but something tells me it's way newer than I want it to be. Oh my gosh, look at these socks. How cute. And Edward Mobley. $16.50. That's more than I'd like to pay for the dog. The dog's kind of common. some of the other ones like that, I would totally pay that for, but I've had the dog too many times. Well, I somehow managed to only spend $60 in there. So I think I'm just gonna stay here tonight. It looks super nice. I'm kind of desperate to go home at this point. Not because I want to miss my house. I just miss my other half. And it's starting to become really stressful trying to get all these packages out. And I'm running out of supplies. And everything's just kind of dwindling me down, honestly. So I think I might kind of try and book it tomorrow. We'll see.